Why is the sky look like blue? The short answer is sunlight reaches Earth's atmosphere and is scattered in all directions by all the gases and particles in the air. Blue light is scattered more than the other colors because it travels as a shorter wavelength. Visible light from the sun is made up of different colors. In fact, all the colors of rainbow. These colors have different wavelength. These seven colors orange, red, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Blue is one of these colors that has shorter wavelength. The atmosphere is made up of different gases. Air is composed of tiny particles known as molecules. It also has lots of tiny water droplets floating on it. Blue light can't pass straight through these droplets to our eyes. It gets reflected and bounced and scattered backward and forward by the gas molecules and droplet eventually coming out of sky. The fact is that sky gets lit up in a blue color. Another question arose in our mind. What is the real color of sky? As far as wavelength go, our sky really is a bluish color. In fact, sky has original color bluish color. Because of our eyes, we see it as pale blue.